This is a Renault Kwid, and if you live in South Africa, you'd know what it is. This is the type of car that gets its lunch money stolen from a Kia Picanto. It's pretty tiny, but is it really junk? Let's find out. It's tiny, and so are the wheels. It's actually got 13-inch wheels. That's very small. You know what that reminds me of? These bad boys. These are Mario biscuits, and if you live in South Africa, they're basically exactly the same thing as these 13-inch wheels, although these taste a bit better. I don't know about those. Let's talk about the engine, if we can call it that, in the Renault Kwid. It's very tiny. It's probably the smallest engine car we've viewed on the channel actually. It's a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine, so it's quite small. It makes 50 kilowatt, 91 Newton meters. I can think of something that's just as powerful as the Renault Kwid, but I can't put my mind on it right now. Okay, I may be pushing it a little, but I mean, there are blenders that weigh more than this car even. I mean, it weighs like 700 kgs. I mean, let's be honest, I probably weigh close to that also. So the slightest breeze can put you in another continent maybe, if you're not too careful. So because it's so light, I'm curious what this thing will do from 0 to 100. Actually, let's find out, shall we? Sounds about right. Alright, I'm pretty much ready. Okay, aircon off, blowers off, and the Kwid actually only has one driver airbag, no ABS, no ESC, traction control. So if you're gonna do what I'm doing, or just buy one to drive generally on an everyday, day-to-day basis, you're gonna need one of these bad boys. So I'm ready. Let's see what the Kwid will do from 0 to 100. Let's give it a little bit of a rev and go. Oh, we got wheel split. Oh my goodness. No rev counter, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna redline. It's just a little arrow saying shift because I'm about to die. And we are on. We're going. Finally, that's 100 k's an hour. I feel like I'm absolutely gonna die. We're in 4th gear. It's got 5 gears, by the way. Oh my god, this is scary. That's 120. Oh my god. Woo. Woo-wee. Alright, I shall calm down because that was very scary. Oh my god. Alrighty, let us have a look. We've got a valid test from Draggy. So we did 0 to 100 in, oh my goodness, 18.85 seconds. That's not great if I'm being honest. Oof. Alright, 0 to 100, 18.85. The quarter mile, 20 seconds, 0.53. Not bad. 0 to 60, 6.9 seconds. Huh. So if you wanted to know in the real world, on a bad day, what a Kwid does from 0 to 100, it's almost 19 seconds. Yeah, if hijackers were chasing me in this car, I'd just stop and give them the car, honestly. You know, good luck. Alright, so it's not bad to drive. It's quite nice for town driving. It's small, it's nippy. It feels like a thin shell around you. You know, normally in a car you feel like you're a unit. This feels like you're in a can of tuna because it's thin outside. You get quite a lot of road noise, quite a lot of tire noise. It's a cheap car and you feel that it's cheap. That's the thing. At least you get power steering. You get central locking, you get a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation and Bluetooth, and the boot's actually decent size. It can fit a whole pair of campus style flip-flops. So university students, got you covered there. Alright, I'm not trying to hate on this car. It's not a bad little car. It's not great though. I mean, if you must buy a new car, I don't know what's wrong with you. Why must you buy a new car? I mean, it's cheap for a brand new car. But if it were me, my personal opinion, rather look on the second-hand market, because for the price you're going to pay for one of these guys brand new, you can get a much nicer car, also a small car, but just 2 years, maybe 3 years old, and they'll still have the warranty and service plans if they come with service plans. This car doesn't. So it's not bad. It drives okay. It's all right, but I don't know. I wouldn't go for one personally. You can buy a much nicer car if you're just willing to buy a car that's a little bit used or pre-owned, is the fancy word for it. So that's my opinion on the thing. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, found it entertaining, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.